time for school. Let's see what's behind these colorful doors. There's a red door, a blue door, a light orange door, a dark orange door, a pink door, and a yellow door. How many doors is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 doors. Here are the keys. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keys, and look, each key matches a door. Let's start with the red door. Let's find the red key. Here it is, right at the end. The red key matches the red door. Are you ready to open it up and see what's inside? That was a lot of red gumballs. It looks like there's a few more. Who else is in there? It's Marshall and Peppa Pig. And this looks like a Paw Patrol Mash'ems container. We need to open this up. But before we do, did you notice that we opened a red door with a red key? And behind the door there were red gumballs. Peppa is wearing a red dress. Marshall is wearing red. And we have a red surprise toy to open. I wonder who we'll get. No way! We got Marshall! That is so cool! Red, 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 red. Next we'll find the blue key. That's not the blue key. That's pink. That's orange. Oh, I see it. There's the blue key. Did you notice that this shade of blue matches this shade of blue? Let's see what's inside. It's an orange fish. Do you know who that is? This little orange and white fishy's name is Nemo. And this is Chase. Chase is wearing blue, but it's a different shade of blue. This blue is a darker shade. Look at the shirt that George Pig is wearing. It's also a different shade of blue. It's a lighter shade of blue. This bag has lots of colors. I see red, blue, purple, green. I wonder who we'll get. Let's see. The bag didn't even open. Oh, cool. Who did we get? I think it's Greg. Right here. Greg is wearing brown pants, a green shirt, and he has yellow hair, and he's on a blue base. Hello, Greg. Look, Chase's outfit matches the base that Greg is standing on. The colors are the same. It's a match. And now let's count our blue toys. 1, 2, 3. We found Nemo behind the blue door in the little blue container, but I put Nemo by the orange door. They're the same color. Should we open the orange door next? I found the orange key. Whoa! Orange gumballs! And we have some friends hiding. Who is it? It's Zuma. There's a gumball sticking to Nemo. Nemo matches all of these orange toys. Let's see what we have. 2 Zumas, a pony, and some num-noms. This pony is kind of a lighter shade of orange compared to this dark orange that Zuma is wearing. Do you know what the name of this pony is? I don't know. Let's see, let's look at our 2 Zumas. Did you see that? Watch right here and right here. 2 Zumas, and they're both wearing orange. What else do we have? We have an orange nom and we have an orange nom. Our orange nom has a pink bow. That looks a lot like the door we're going to be opening. Let's see if we can stack them up. There. Let's count our orange toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nemo has a gumball on his nose. Nemo's kind of sticky. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange toys. Okay, so we started with 6 doors, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've opened 1, 2, 3. So how many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 doors left to open. I think we should do the light orange door. Ooh, it looks like there's a lot of fun stuff. It's Goofy. Goofy has on blue pants and orange shirt, and he's wearing this yellowish green hat that reminds me a lot of this color. This is kind of a dark orange, but look at this surprise egg that popped open. That's a light orange. And inside is a dark orange toy. What is this? It looks like seaweed. See the difference? Light orange, dark orange. Now, let's see what's in this bag. These are all of the different keychains that we can get. I wonder who it will be. Oh, look! It's Disgust from the movie Inside Out. Disgust has dark green hair, light green skin. See, her face and arms are light. And then her clothes are dark green, and she has some hot pink, bright pink, just like this door that we still need to open. We don't have a green door on our critter clinic, but we have Daddy Pig, who wears a greenish blue shirt. But they're not the same, are they? They're different shades of green. But look, this is a similar shade of green. I'm gonna set Disgust right back here. We opened a light orange door, and we had a light orange egg inside, and inside the egg was a dark orange toy. And behind the door was Goofy And Goofy's wearing dark orange too. These two match. We only have one light orange toy. 1, 2 doors left. Let's open the pink. Oh, it's Skye. Skye is wearing pink, isn't she? She has a silver backpack. Part of her helmet is silver, but her clothes are pink. And look, we have a Shopkins backpack, and it's the exact same color as Skye. Let's open it and see who is inside. Whoa! It's a rollerblade. This is kind of a bluish color, right? A little bit. Like Daddy Pig's shirt. It's like a bluish green, kind of a turquoisey color. What else do we have? A micro light. I wonder who will be inside of this. Oh, cute! Do you guys know who this is? This little pacifier has a silly name, Dumb Mimi. And look, it's yellow, and light pink, and light blue. And here's the light at the bottom. Does it not work? There. There's not many pink toys to count, just Skye and our little backpack. And we'll get this rollerblade out of there. Well, maybe we should count this. I was going to put this with yellow, but let's keep it with our pink toys. 1, 2, 3. And we'll open our last door, the yellow door. Whoa, yellow gumballs everywhere. What else is in there? I see Rubble. I see another Rubble. And I see Rocky. Rubble is wearing yellow here, and Rubble is wearing yellow here. Rocky doesn't have on any yellow. Whoa, come back, Rocky. He jumped right out of my hand. We also have this yellow bag. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, look! It's a num and a nom. It's a bright pink nom, and it's kind of a light orange num. It looks like it might be French toast or pancakes. Let's take a closer look here. So this looks like kind of like a light yellow here and here and here. And this is kind of like a brownish orange, right? But should we move it to our light orange toys or should we keep it with our yellow? Let's see. Let's move it to our orange toys and we'll move this to our pink toys. So we have a lot of yellow gumballs. We even have big and small gumballs. And we have 2 Rubbles, but Rocky's not green. We'll move Rocky with Disgust. Okay, here are our blue toys. So the blue base, the blue shirt, and we all know that Chase wears a lot of blue. Then we have our red toys. 2 Marshalls and 1 Peppa wearing a red dress. We didn't have a green door, but we have some green toys. We have Daddy Pig. He's wearing a green shirt. We have Rocky. He's wearing a lot of green. And Disgust is almost completely green. Just a little bit of pink on her. We didn't find many light orange toys behind our light orange door. But Mummy Pig is kind of wearing a light shade of orange. And we can't forget about this. Look at all of our dark orange toys. There's so many. 2 Zumas, a Num and a Nom, Nemo, and a pony. We have a few pink toys. Skye, our backpack, our Nom, and our little Shopkins micro light has some pink on it. What color's left? Did you remember that it was yellow? And look, Pedro Pony wears yellow too. We learned about so many colors today. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.